Want a healthy, juicy, and flavor-packed chicken dinner in just minutes? Let's make Mediterranean chicken. 500 g boneless chicken thighs or breast. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. 2 garlic cloves, minced. 1 teaspoon paprika. 1 teaspoon oregano. Half a teaspoon cumin. Salt and black pepper to taste. Fresh parsley for garnish. In a bowl, add olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, paprika, oregano, cumin, salt, and pepper. Mix well. Add chicken and coat it fully in the marinade. Rest for at least 15 minutes, or overnight for best flavor. Heat a skillet or grill pan. Cook chicken on medium-high heat for 5 to 6 minutes per side until golden and fully cooked. Slice the chicken, garnish with parsley, and serve with salad, pita bread, or rice. This chicken is juicy, smoky, and bursting with Mediterranean flavors. That's it, Mediterranean chicken in minutes. Try it tonight and taste the freshness.